Are you struggling to write the perfect YouTube script for your next YouTube video? Then you're at the right place. In this video, we'll show you how you can get the perfect script for your YouTube video using ChatGPT. Now, if you're already using the ChatGPT, then sometimes you don't get the perfect script for the YouTube video as you desired. But in today's video, we'll show you some perfect prompt that you can use to get the desired result from ChatGPT, and it will help you to enhance your YouTube script. So let's get started.
So here I'm using the free version of ChatGPT. If you can want to get the GPT-4, then you can. It's a great idea. You can just have more benefits. But if you don't have an investment and you don't just want to invest and you just want to make the most out of the free version, then still you have so many benefits while using the free version, and this free version will be more than enough for you. So let's get started. I have few of the prompt that I have written, but first of all, let's start that if you have a faceless channel and you want to write a script for it, then how you're gonna write. Let's see. So first of all, I'm just asking, so yeah, I've written like act as a script writer and write script for faceless YouTube video about full guide to become data analyst. Now, first of all, I've told it to become the script writer and write a script for you. So it's a great prompt, and let's see. I'm just giving this prompt, and here we go. So it has written the full guide to become data analyst. This is a title and introduction, and it is giving out the scenes. Like it will help you to just make the video more engaging, as it is giving some ideas for your video editing. So here is the script. Welcome to the full guide. You can write any kind of topic here using the same prompt and just give anything like you want to do. So there is a second prompt that I written to write a script for a 2-minute video, or you can just define any length. I can say like 5 minutes or 4 minutes, like 5 minutes. If I write a 5 minutes video about cryptocurrency, right? So, and you can also like act as script writer. You can add it and about the cryptocurrency right there. And let's run this. And here you go. Here you got the full script for your video, and this is all of the lines, and you can see it is also giving you some visuals ideas that you can add while editing your video, and all of the things that you want to do, and it's according to the length for a 5-minute video.